Yeah, good evening, everyone. So, generally, whenever we trade in the evening time, we follow indicators like RLM or FLM along with T5. Mainly for scalping, there is a better, the good combination. Whenever you want to trade SPX, then we use mainly SPX tag and turn and T5 those things. But for futures, there is a better combination where we look at the first thing is you always start with a scanner. If something is completely green, that means they are very bullish tickers, right? GC is completely green, silver is completely green. So these are very bullish, GC and silver. So if something is bullish, then we need to wait for buy signals. The buy signal should be somewhere close to the swing cloud or somewhere at the bottom of the cloud. So if silver comes little bit down, it comes all the way here, and then if we get a buy signal, we can go long. In the same way, if something is, for example, if you see if the daily level and RSI, they are red color, but the last strength column should be green color, then they are good opportunities for short. So YM, the volume will be less now. Natural gas strength is little choppy. If this is about 20, then this is a good one for short. We are watching for a buy signal on silver or gold. We are waiting for the buy signal on silver. Overall, it is very bullish. RSI is above 50. Strength is also very good. We are waiting for a pullback. We got a buy now. So we'll go ahead and take a long on silver. So I took a long on silver it's nearly $400. It's silver long. Because we have resistance here, so we booked the profits quickly. We'll take short on GC. we can wait for the little pullback and then we can take short. So I'm taking short on GC. It's another 200 plus with GC short. And here we got the bearish tag and turn. And then T5 also started dropping. You can see bearish below 43.52 and target is 43.31.5. So yeah, it can drop. If it is a personal account, you can hold until 43.31. Here I got bearish tag and turn, but still here it is green and there is no gap between the lines. So we can wait for some more time. Short one more time on GC. Kept target at 43.4. Shorted at 43.7. GC it is below 50. Strength is about 20. And then T5 is in sell signal. So we got a swing sell. Silver, but silver is still bullish. GC became bearish. So either you can use this RLM. But here we got a swing sell overbought. T5 also became overbought. There is nice gap between both the lines. RSI became below 50, strength is. So, or the other option is you got a bearish tag and turn. T5 also became bearish. Then here you can see that okay, if it is drops below 52, it should go up and then it should drop below that line. So it went above the 52.8, then it started dropping. So if it is a personal account, you can hold until 43.31.5. Yeah, Tarun, please go ahead.
Hey Kishore, good evening. Uh, can you check Tesla once? I think it has moved all-time high. I also entered a put today morning, but since then it is just making new highs. Uh, Not
Yeah,
sure.
mostly we should see a drop tomorrow morning. So
But my put is also like 472.5 put.
once we took it, immediately it dropped all the way to 475. But uh, so if tomorrow, if it drops below 477, then it can go till 443 next 4 to 5 days. So yeah, so we
Yeah,
should see a
looking at that only, I took that put today, but I think since then it is just going
yeah.
increase.
Did you take for this Friday or coming? Always give minimum 5 days expiry when you are
Yeah, this
doing
Friday. Expiration is this Friday, 12/19.
no, no, you should have gone minimum go. Always add plus 5 days
Okay,
whenever you are doing. So you will have minimum 5 days in between your when you are taking the trade and the expiry. So by next Friday, by 12:26, it will drop below 443.
okay.
Or if you
Uh,
do bear call and tomorrow if there is a small drop in the morning also, will make nice profits.
yeah, got it.
But when you're buying puts, minimum there should be always more than 5 days the
Okay,
expiration.
okay. How about Amazon and Google?
Amazon is bullish about 222.18, so mostly it is at a buy zone now. So tomorrow Amazon should be bullish.
Mhm.
Google is about 304, it is low, so it touched the buy zone.
Guys,
So got
yeah,
a bullish tag and turn. So yeah, it is looking good for. So by next no, 12:26, it should go all the way to 318.
okay. Even for call, I should add 5 days while taking. Uh,
Yeah, whether you are doing naked calls or naked puts, minimum 5 days.
okay.
If you're doing bull puts, you can do bull puts below this area. Then also better minimum 4 to 5 days is always better when you're doing naked calls or naked puts.
Okay.
If you do bull
And
puts, minimum 3 days. If you are doing naked calls or naked puts, minimum 5 days.
got it. Okay. And I think you have updated the scripts also, right? TNT scripts. Can you please share like what is the update in this script?
Yeah, basically it shows you the table and then you have the buy zone, sell zones, and then you'll have the delta. It will show like the delta is 14. That means once you get the bullish tag and turn, it will move $14 up. 318 minus 304 is $14. You
Okay.
will show where the target is, what is the delta between the current
Mm-hmm.
price and where it can go up. So whenever the delta is big, that is a good opportunity to buy the
Mm-hmm.
calls or to buy the puts.
Got it. Okay. And what is the yellow orange dots below the delta?
So generally you have blue dots. Blue dots is like the target for long position. So this is your target one. This is your
Mm-hmm.
target.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever
Okay.
you have short positions, the orange dots will be your target.
Okay.
Yeah. But whenever it is bullish, you always look at the blue lines. So this is first it will come to 314, then it will go to 388. The T1 and T2.
Got it. So tomorrow morning, if the T5 is green and I think we already have bullish TNT, we can take January calls, naked calls.
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Mostly
Uh,
tomorrow we'll see a nice move on Amazon.
Amazon, Google, yeah. Kishore, can I quickly share my screen once? I'm struggling to add those. Every day you add the futures and stocks, right? I'm not sure if I'm doing it right or wrong, but I don't see those tables at all, even after adding it. So,
Yeah, the tables will come from a different indicator. Right? The tables will come from MTFF,
yeah,
futures.
MTFF, correct.
So are you going to future scan and then adding? So you have to
I'm
add the
going
same
to
levels
MTFF.
into one is your FLM and then the scanner. You have to add the same content.
Okay, I don't have RLM, but I have MTFF. In MTFF, I'm adding those values, but after that also I don't see the table updated.
And are you so if you have a essential or any other plan, you choose any five tickets. Don't enable all eight. Only if you have
Okay,
Pro, it will work for eight. Otherwise, just to select any five, and then you can add the indicator one more time and select one more five. You can change the symbols. So first
got it.
time whenever you do, you put it to. So first time when you add, you keep it at top right. Next time when you add, you can put it at bottom left or bottom right. And then you go and change the tickers. You change from ES, you change it to GC, from NQ, you change it to copper, like that. You have five symbols in the first table. First time when you add it, have five symbols. Again, when you add, you are
MTFF multiple times, you mean to say, from indicators.
you can add the indicator multiple times to the chart. Same
Oh,
indicator.
new one. Okay. Yeah, mine is essential. Maybe that is why it is only showing the top fives.
Yeah,
I'll
if you
try.
just select only five, disable the remaining last three check boxes, then it should work fine.
Got it. Got it. Okay. Okay. This is helpful. Thank you.
Yeah,
That's it, Kishore. Thank you.
sure. Yeah, Raj, please go ahead, Raj.
Hi, Kishore Garu. Can you tell me what PFC, PRZ stand for? Maybe you mentioned this, but I forgot.
That is basically a potential flip zone or a reversal zone.
But the numbers are matching, right? That is what I'm not understanding.
Yeah, basically it is one more time telling you where the trend will change.
Okay,
So,
so will it always match the top two numbers?
yeah, these two numbers will match.
Will
But the
always match.
colors will be if it is bearish, that means it will be red color. If it is bullish, it will be green color.
Okay, but the PFZ will be the same number as the bullish or the bearish number.
Right, yeah.
Okay, what does PFZ mean? What does it stand for?
Potential flip zone.
Oh,
So,
potential flip zone. Okay, PRZ
yeah,
is potential reversal zone.
right,
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, sounds good. Thank you, Kishore Garu.
sure. Yeah, Akshay, please go ahead. So, tonight, mainly silver is looking very bullish, but it already moved so much high. Little risky to do any more. Don't take any long on crude oil because it dropped so much. Crude oil is If you want to take in the personal account for overnight, then NKD is a good one. If it comes all the way to 49,800, you can take a shot on NKD. It will come all the way to 49,400. Once it touches this target, then it will become basically that is the resistance. This is the support, 405 support, 795 is resistance. It came nearly touched this 795 zone. Once it touches that, then basically then it will flip. So it should come back all the way to 49,400. So for overnight, this NKD is a good one.
Yeah, gold, is it, can we buy now? I mean, I see that we entered R1.
Gold is, yeah, it will go until 52 and again it may drop.
Yeah, so the thing is like, yeah, I got my pro account. I just don't want to lose it. It's a 25K pro account.
Then better wait. If the T5 is red, then better don't take any long.
But you're looking at 5 minute chart, right? On 3 minute chart, it looks like it's down.
Mhm. 5 also, this is the 5 minute chart. The trend is bearish, but you have resistance here, so you can do quick scalp. But if you want to do overnight, then better you touch short it somewhere here. Again, it will drop back to
Okay.
43.30.
So I'll wait for the push, right? Okay. I'll wait for the pullback.
Yeah, yeah, Shiva, please go ahead.
Yeah, I was a little inactive, and then I see SPX credit spread indicator. It's is any logic changed? Because it is showing the same thing for everything, like all the instruments.
SPX credit spread.
Yeah, if you see for gold, silver, ES, NQ, YM, everything it is showing the same thing.
Yeah, that you have to use only with SPX or NDX. It will show only, yeah, it will work only for those two symbols. Credit spread
Yeah.
indicator.
Okay, and this tag and turn is it's basically for 30 minutes, right? I was talking about 2 weeks back.
Yeah, mainly if you
Now,
want to do swing trades, we use 30 minutes.
oh, okay.
Yeah, if you want to hold the trade for 3, 4 days, 5 days, then it is a good one.
Mhm. Okay. I'll see tomorrow also, and then probably I may change it to this tag and turn. You're using this most, right? Instead of
Yeah,
CS.
yeah, because the advantage with tag and turn is you will know exactly where it will turn bearish, where it can go. So that is the major advantage with tag and turn. If it is bearish tag and turn, then mainly you look for the sell opportunities. And this is where again it will turn bullish, 43.30, 43.
Mhm. Can I get this one instead of the SPX CS?
Yeah, you can share your username.
Okay.
Yeah, in that please
Chat
go
is
ahead.
disabled.
Hey, hi Kishore. I just wanted to understand this on T5 you have two lines, right? What are those? What are the different purpose of those?
So
One is a
basically
white,
this
yeah.
white line is like your base price for the instrument.
Okay,
So if you see a red line below that, that means sellers are more in control now. So the price is trading below the base price.
Okay. Okay.
If the green line is above it, that means price is trading above the base price. That means it is bullish. Buyers, it has more demand, so people are ready to buy more than the normal price. Here, people are ready to selling it below the base price. That means trend is bearish. So yeah,
Understood.
whenever it is red and white, then always watch out for the sell.
Okay. And this final question on this the future scan table, right? What do this R and S indicate? The first column, the daily level.
So basically, this is your base level. Generally, if price is above the base level, that means the trend is bullish. If the price is below base level,
Yes.
the
Okay.
trend is bullish. So this is R1, R2, R3, this is S1,
Oh,
S2, S3.
okay.
So if something is right, let us say ES is S3. If the RSI is also below 50, and if it is below magnetic line, then that is 100% a good opportunity for a short.
Short. Okay. Got you. Thank you.
Yeah. Sam, please go ahead.
Sure. So this tag and um, turn. So how do we use this one? I mean, there is a targets even in the yellow down, right? I mean, there is a tags in the down. So is the target level or what it is?
Yeah, this is the target.
Okay. So after that, can we take from here? Can we take?
Yeah, generally once price comes here, it will turn bullish again.
Oh, okay. Okay. The same way on the top there is a red line ended with the dot, right, Kishore garu? So
Mm,
there, can we
but,
take short? Can we
yeah,
keep the short?
this is where we take the short. This is
Oh,
where again we do the long position.
oh, okay. Yeah, thank you, Kishore garu. The one more question is for the FLM. Yeah, so there is top of the candle we see the red dot and green dot. That I understand. Apart from that, there is a gray color dot. So is that what exactly do we need to do that in that case?
Which one for FLM?
Ah, yes, Kishore garu.
That
Sometimes
means
while, yeah,
the trend is changing from bullish to bearish for GN. So here the buyers were more in control.
okay. Mm-hmm.
Right? Now the sellers are taking the so when from green, if it is you see green color, that means now there is a transition in the trend.
That means gray color, right? So we don't want to take any trades in that.
The gray is like neutral. Yeah. Red is like sellers. Sellers took the control now.
Okay, okay, yeah, okay. Okay, that orange line, yeah, okay. So this one I understand. So can you go back to the tag and turn? Sorry, once again.
Mm.
Yeah, here you mentioned that below that yellow dotted lines also there is a end of that line. There is a one more line, right, Kishore garu? So
Right.
yeah, the
So
blue
for
line. Yeah.
blue line is generally for long positions, that is the target. For short positions, these yellow lines is the target. So
Oh,
this
okay,
is what
okay.
4330 is the target. So once it comes here, and if T5 comes all the way to the bottom, then we can again take long positions here.
Oh, okay. Okay. So what about that gray line, Kishore garu? Middle of that, above the gray, yeah, that line.
Yeah,
It's like a resistance,
that
right?
is like a midpoint.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah, got it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, that's it. Like equilibrium for other, right?
Right.
Kishore? Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Kishore garu, 1 second. At 4316, you are supposed to take long, or are you supposed to take long at 4330?
So if price comes to 4330 and you see green candles, or if
Okay.
the table will change, right, bullish above 4330 like that, then you take
Oh,
the long
okay.
positions.
Okay.
But if the table is showing red color here, that means we mainly watch for the sell opportunities.
Okay.
For example, if you see this is below 3.968. Yeah, we use 3 minutes for during Asia market. Either you use FLM or whichever you use, generally we use 3 minutes.
Right. For TNT, you're using 5 minutes, right?
TNT also we can use 3 minutes during this time. In the morning time, we'll use 5 minutes.
Oh, okay.
5 minutes if you want to do day trades. If you want to do swing trades, use 30 minutes. And then you take minimum 5-day expiry trades.
Correct. Yeah, I mean, in the nighttime, I saw you were using 5 minutes. Even now, you're on 5 minutes, so that's why I'm asking.
Yeah, generally we should go with 3 minutes during this time.
Okay.
Yeah, Kishore,
Question.
in the yellow line, there is a in the yellow label there is a 26 or something, right? So what is that indicates, Kishore garu? So other ticker, I guess. Yeah.
Right, that means that is the delta. Once you get a sell signal, it is telling that it will drop nearly 21 or 26 points from that sell signal.
Okay. So
So if it is 43.52, it is telling 43.31. So the difference between these two is 21 points.
okay. Mhm.
That is the target. So if the
Okay.
delta is more, that means that is a good opportunity for you to take trade. So you'll make more profits.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's very important one. Yeah. Got it. And thank you. Yeah.
Sure, I have a question. So, can you go to silver once? I actually took a shot with silver at 65, but I didn't realize it will go this far. In the 3 minutes chart, it says if the price stays below 65.90, the target is 63.805. Is that of a variance? Because that looks like a big variance there.
Yeah, but silver drops very quickly. Right? Once it breaks this box, it will come all the way to this point.
Okay, so overnight we may see a drop in silver, or it will kind of stay bullish.
We will see a drop and we will see bounce because it already moved so much, 4%. It may drop little bit. Right now it went all the way to the top. You got a bearish tag and turn. There might be a drop and then again bounce during Europe. So now it is consolidating here. If it breaks this box, then it will come all the way down to 63.8 and then again
So
might make a
my
bounce.
my short position is at 65, so probably I can hold it then.
Is it prop or personal account?
A personal account.
Yeah, if it is personal, you can hold it. Yeah. If it is prop, it is little risky with silver, but if it is a prop account, you can personal account, you can hold it until you will see 63.8 overnight.
Oh, okay. Got it. Okay. Yeah, thanks.
Next, please go ahead.
Yeah, Kishore garu, is there any correlation between SPX and ES1?
Yeah, both will move in the same direction. If
Um,
ES if ES is bearish, then SPX, for example, ES drops 40-50 points tonight, then SPX also will drop nearly 40-50 points. And tomorrow you'll see a gap down of 40-50 points.
okay, right
So,
now because ES1 is at a very different level, right? Like,
mhm. So the numbers may be different, but the direction will be same.
okay, okay, yeah, okay, that's all.
Yeah, yeah, Abhishek, please go ahead.
Okay, sure. For the GC, right, I see in the 5 minutes and 15 minutes, it's all green clouds, right? I'm taking it long and then can I just hold it for the proposition, prop rounds, micros? You know what, till what level it can go?
53, again it can drop. So 43,
Bearish,
53 is
so
the target. Yeah,
52.
yeah, 52.8.
You can just put a target as 52.8, right?
Right. Mm. Yeah, but
And
generally it
overnight,
is
is it?
always better whenever you see this as bearish, then until it hits this point, better we don't take a long position. Yeah.
Sorry, come again? Uh,
So if it is showing that it is trend is bearish, then better you wait for the sell opportunities. Because if you take a buy, only you may make $4, $5 move. But if you take a sell, you will get a minimum $10 to $15 move.
okay,
Because your resistance is here. Right now it is 47, 48. From 48 to 52 is just 4 points. But if you wait until this point and if it starts dropping again, then you can get 20 points target.
understood. So wait till 52 and then take the bear call or bear positions.
Right.
So are we still watching the clouds or just SPX, the TNT?
Yeah,
If
again,
I'm watching the cloud,
all are different strategies. So yeah, so that's where I explained both the strategies. One is you watch the clouds, which are trend, you watch along with the empty the scanner. If the scanner is looking bullish, so if everything is green color, silver is everything is green. But only problem is it went all the way till R8, which is the high of the day. So that means there can be a reversal. If it is just R3, R4 and all these are green, then that is very good opportunity to go long. Whereas this one is R2, but the strength is going slowly, slowing down. So we will see a reversal with GC also. So yeah, we can use RLM along with scanner, or we can use SPX along with T5. All are different strategies, whichever you feel easy to use, we can use those strategies.
yeah, because in 5 minutes it was bearish. It got a bearish TNT at 5 minutes, probably 1 hour back, 1.5 hour back, and then
Mhm.
touched the middle line and then it started bouncing again. But yeah, it may drop. Yeah, that's
Mm. So we got a bearish tag and turn, and then so we should always look with the confluence.
right. So if
We
you're
got
getting
this
these two bearish TNT and the T5, we are not looking at the clouds in that case, right? You can confidently take that, right?
right. Your table is showing that it is bearish below 43.52. Your T5 also you got a sell signal. That means it is overbought. Then from 43.52 it dropped all the way to nearly 43.39. Now, right, it will do small pullback again drop. Do small pullback again it will drop. It will until it comes all the way to 43.31. It will So here it dropped and then did a small pullback, drop, did the pullback, drop. So like that it will until it hit the target, it will keep doing that. Once it hits the target, then again it will turn bullish.
Sure.
Yeah, Abhi, please go ahead.
Kishore, quick question, Kishore. What is this TNT strategy? I must be missed that.
Yeah, TNT basically, if you watch today morning
I thought
also,
we were using it for 30 minutes, right?
yeah, 30 minutes is for swing trades. Whenever you want to do hold for 4 days, 5 days, then we use 30 minutes.
Okay. And for intraday?
For intraday, again we'll use same thing, 3 minutes or 5 minutes. And
So,
whenever you see bearish tag and turn along with T5,
so where do you see Kishore on GC 3 minute bearish TNT?
so this is where you got the bearish TNT line.
Oh, I see. On the top. Okay.
Yeah.
Where is say the so we have to look for the flip bull and the TNT?
No, no, just if you have bearish TNT and then you T5 is red, or your table also will show that it is bearish below so and so price. And then once it starts dropping, it can go all the way to 4331.5.
So Kishore, in
If you
this scenario, the T3, the T5 became red later on. The TNT came before, like for like at least 10-15 minutes before, right?
will wait until T5 also becomes red, then you can take a shot.
Okay, so even if the BSTNT appears before, wait for the T5 to go red. Okay.
That, or you can take two micros, two MGC. Then
Okay.
you can hold, even though it may do little pullback. You don't need to worry with the micros.
And Kishore, on the 3 minute also the target remains the same. So it will change on 3 to 5 minute. The targets will remain same.
Yeah, the targets will change with a higher time frame. Your targets will be little more higher. As you go higher and higher time frames, the range will be much bigger.
I see. Okay.
But yeah, generally when you're doing Asia market, better you use 3 minutes.
Okay. So use the 3 minutes range. Got it.
Like,
Okay. Thank you, Kishore.
yeah.
Kishore, is this TNT gonna show levels for stocks too, or is just for futures?
It will show for anything, for stocks, futures, cryptos, currencies, everything.
So can we look up ALAB? I wanna see is it like what is the TNT showing for that like I think mainly we for 30 minutes, right?
Yeah. It is bullish above 147. If it breaks 147, then it will go till 161 next 5 days.
So Kishore, so if we are using this to let's say take a trade for this, so we wait for 30 minute candle to close and then take a trade?
Yes. Yeah. Once 30-minute candle breaks 147, then you
Breaks
can,
above and close it, right?
right. Your body should be above that 140. So once it breaks this price, right, this is the line. Once it goes
Gotcha.
above it, then your target will be this one, 161.
Okay, I got you. And so Kishore, what is it showing at 5 minutes? I'm sure I just wanted to see is it gonna show different thing at five?
Yeah. As of
Okay,
now, it is telling in 5 minutes. If it is below 144.94, it will go till 142.66. So in
I
a
see.
smaller time frame, it is,
Makes sense, makes
yeah.
sense. Okay. Okay, okay. I just have one. So Kishore, can you give me access there? I think I just
Yeah, what is your username?
it's ABHI1Y. Thank you, Kishore.
Kishore, this is Srinivas. Could you please send those daily levels in?
Yeah, I send it here.
Okay, thank you.
So, Kishore, so if you would use it on like QQQ today, I was trying to trade using the our FLMs. Um, I think it was very choppy, so it would help because I think at one point it flipped, and I think I bought call at that point. I think last 2 hours. But is that gonna show on 5 minutes too, like that when to break about to what target it will go?
Yeah, today we took SPX bull puts or bear call based on this, and it exactly went as it suggested. So initially we got the bull puts with SPX. It exactly moved from that. So initially it was bullish. It exactly went to that point. Wherever it suggested, it turned bearish again.
I
And then
see.
we
Okay.
got the bear calls in last 10-15 minutes.
Okay. Thank you, Kishore.
Yeah.
Hey Kishore, this is Vishal.
Yeah, sure.
So yesterday, actually, unfortunately, my account was locked because of stop loss. Like silver, it was very volatile, right? So I took a trade yesterday, and then I think it was showing up, and then all of a sudden it actually started dragging down, right?
Right.
So now then when it got the stop loss, it hit 4K, right? And the account got locked. So anyway, I got another account yesterday for the FX trading. Couple of things I wanted to understand. Sure, like yesterday when I was seeing this, this chart, right? I could see a red ball and the green triangle on that. What does that signify? Red ball and then on top of that the green triangle. In the FLM uh, indicator basically. I taken a screenshot if you want. I can share my screen, but I don't see that now. But when you do FLM and you see this red ball, right? And then like how you see the green ball right now on top of the candle.
You mean here or these dots?
On this dot, yeah. And then I
Basically,
saw,
yeah, that is telling the trend is bullish.
but then
If
there's
you
a
see,
red dot and okay, right.
yeah, if you see the red dots, right? Here one is your
Right.
clouds are red. Here the dots are red. That means it is you are getting double confirmation that trend is bearish.
Okay.
So and then again the trend got changed here, right? Here it was red, and then here it turned green.
Direct green.
So whenever you get a buy signal, and if you continue to see the green dots, you can hold for the long positions.
Okay, okay. But what would happen when on the green dot, let's say in this case, if there's a green dot and then on the green dot there's a red triangle?
Red triangle. That means still it may be there might be a small drop, but the drop will not be big.
Okay. What does a triangle signify? Triangle is also the signal, right? Bullish or with a red means bearish and green
So
means
this
bullish, right?
triangle is coming from T5. So here
T5.
T5 represents here and also here.
Oh, okay, okay. Maybe that could
So,
be the thing. Okay,
so T5 is telling it is bullish now.
okay.
So
Got it.
whenever red triangle, it will drop. Green triangle means it will go up.
Okay, great. Other thing I wanted to quickly ask was on the price, what do you call it? The price pulse indicator, right? When you turn it on, you see this metric momentum and all those stuff, right? Trend, strength, and all these things.
Right.
In that, if there is a mix of red and green, what will it signify? And if the S&P and SPX TNT, if it shows bearish, but the price pulse shows bullish, what do we do?
So generally, if the table is completely green, that means it is very bullish, right? For example, silver, it is
Uh-huh.
money flow is good, momentum is good, trend is good, strength is good. That means mainly you watch out for the buy opportunities here, right? Whenever
Okay.
price goes up, we'll do a small pullback until this blue line again goes up. Again, we'll do a small pullback again. So as long as the price is above the blue line, you mainly take the buy opportunities. So if you missed the initial buy, for example, you got to buy somewhere here. Here you got
Yeah.
a buy signal.
Okay.
So if you missed the initial buy, you wait for a pullback. Price will come, touch that blue line, and again go up. Again, it will touch the line, go up.
Okay, but then we
And
don't have the another buy signal here. I mean, explicitly saying buy,
yeah,
right?
that's why, yeah, because it is still a bullish trend. So you don't have a, so if you miss the
Another
initial
buy.
buy, yeah, your price came to this line and again go up.
Okay.
So like that, whenever price comes here, touches this, and again you see green candle, you can keep going long. So if the table is completely looking green, then mainly we take the buy opportunities. Or if some table is completely looking red,
Mm-hmm.
for example in KD, if it is mainly looking red, then you mainly watch out for the sell opportunities.
And if there's a big shear like this, so let's say the daily you see that the good, or maybe 1 minute you see red, and then in between trend says bullish, and then also the volatility is kind of green. What do
Yeah,
you interpret?
if
What do
that,
you interpret?
then you just ignore it. If you see a mix of colors, then better
Okay,
ignore it and look for somewhere where you have more same colors.
got
If completely green or completely red. Completely green, good for bullish. Completely red, good for bearish.
got it. But over here we don't see the 3 minute thing which we usually do for Asia market. So we can go for 5 minutes and check the trends bullish or bearish, right?
Yeah, right, yeah.
There was one more thing. Sometime in between, we used to get this uh, kind of a rectangle bar which says PFZ flip bear or PFZ flip bullish. What does that mean? It will be kind of a rectangle bar which will say bullish or bear, flip. It says flip and then flip to bear or flip to bullish.
Yeah, that is where the trend will change. So it
Okay,
is
just
telling that
signifies that.
405 is where the trend will change to bullish. And then the target is 795. Once it hits 795, again the target will change.
Okay,
The
so
trend
that
will change to bearish.
okay, so that rectangle will also show up on the actual chart as well. So not just the table.
Right.
Okay, I understand. The same thing is that. What is this PDL? And it's I think previous day low and previous day high. Is that what it means?
That is right, yeah.
And
Generally, previous day low will act as a support.
okay,
Previous day high will act as a resistance.
okay. And when you have this price pulse and you have a red band, right? So if you have a price, if you get around the price pulse, you will have the red band or the green band, and then sometimes the gray band. The red band, I believe, there are a lot of sellers. The green band means a lot of buyers, and the
Mhm.
gray band means resistance or support kind of thing. Right? So yeah, so if you
Mhm.
see that
Yeah,
means a lot of
this is the
sellers.
premium zone. There are a lot of sellers here.
Okay,
The green zones are always there are a lot of buyers. So if you see a discount and you see
okay,
buyers, so
okay.
generally you will. So it is always better if you want to buy something, you better buy close to the discount zone where you see the buyers.
Okay, so you want pass that green band and go to the discount, close to the discount. That's what you are saying, right? And then take a buy call.
Right. If you want to buy any stocks or something, always buy close to discount. Whenever it touches the premium zone, that is the best time to do sell the
Touches.
long positions and
Okay.
take short positions.
And what does that number signify, like 72, 63%? And does it mean the
That means
total
that many orders are there. That many
orders you take?
orders are.
Okay. Good. Uh, yeah, I'll try to see like what else can you. I started a new account, so my last account got closed, so I'll start from scratch. One other thing, I know you the thing you said a lot of those uh, tips kind of saying that SPX buy over there is a vertical spread or I've never done that. I don't know if it's the right time to do it today, but if you can quickly, whenever you have time, it's not today, then later, if you can show how to place that order, like, if you're on think or swim, like, what is the way to spread, put that, place that vertical spread order, or, horizontal spread or whatnot, right? Long put and, uh,
Yeah, I already did earlier videos. You can go to Right Choice Advisors YouTube channel and search on
what should I
vertical
search?
spreads.
Oh, okay. Then
And
I'll do
search
that.
on vertical spreads.
Oh, I'll go ahead and do that. You have shown how to place an order, right? That's what you're going to explain.
Right. Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Hey,
Thanks.
Kishore.
And on the think and swim, oh sorry, last one. On the think or swim, I think so. You mentioned the SPX ticker will work as is, right? If you don't have to go for SPXW, right? For the options.
You have to put a dollar sign. Dollar
In front of
SPX.
the SPX, put a dollar. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll try that. Thanks. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, Kishore, I have a question. I don't have a RCT5. Can you please let me know how to get that?
Yeah, what is your username?
Yeah, it's WALIANSARI 3502. It's Wali Ansari 3502. WALIANSARI 3502. Yep.
Yeah, now you can log out
Okay.
and log in. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Any orders do you recommend today? Like any long or short? I just tried.
NKD is looking good for a short, but again, right, while overnight, if you don't want to take risk, better his personal account, it is okay to take risk, but in the prop firm, it may drop all the way 300, 400 points. Again, in Europe, again, it may go up.
Okay.
So that's the risk you have in the prop firms, right? Especially when you do with Apex and those accounts.
Yeah.
If it goes up and again you are missing to book the profits, so it may come all the way here. If you miss booking profits again, if it moves up, then it will hit your trail stop loss.
So
Even
I
the
wanted to ask you, like, if I have to do a stop loss, I was not able to do that yesterday. If when I place a order for the sell, and I
you
had to,
you go to order tab,
yeah,
and then if you want to do a short here, right?
yeah,
You put short.
okay,
You can say you want to take profit at, let us say 49,
okay,
49, 420, little bit above.
that
And
take
then you
profit.
can say, yeah, the stop loss now it is at 735, so you can say if it goes to 760.
I was doing reverse call. It's like a 3%. Okay, got it.
Mm.
And what do
Yeah,
you recommend, like, on the stop loss and percentage wise, what percent should one, put a stop loss or take profit, like, with respect to, not to lose a lot, right? Especially, 10%, 20% of the price or something.
generally,
Is a
for
prop firm.
example, here you see the resistance,
Mhm.
right? Always you put a stop loss above if you are shorting it here,
Mhm.
then your resistance is 49.7. You put stop loss above that.
Oh,
And then wherever is your support,
mhm.
you can put somewhere here as your target, 49,525. Or you watch out what the tag and turn is telling.
Mhm.
So
Okay.
it is once it 405, then 795 is the target. You watch 3 minutes. So 945 is based on that you can use the stop loss.
Okay. Stop your phone. Okay. Thanks.
Yeah, sure, please go ahead.
Hi, Kishore. Yesterday, while I was trading with you regarding with the silver, it went out to like big amount of loss, right?
Right.
So because of that, I hit the reset value for that Elite Trader funding.
Okay.
So I took it. So no other option than taking either paying a reset fee or taking a new account, right?
Right. Yeah. If you have more time in the monthly thing, then better to reset it.
Okay.
Or if it is renewing within 3 4 days or so, then better you don't renew it, because if you renew again, they will charge the monthly renewal.
Okay. But right now the renewal is pretty low, so did a renewal. Sorry, I took a new one instead of reset.
Yeah, Kishore, in this case, they will reimburse, and also they gave me that whatever the account they cancelled, they transferred that profit amount in that new account, Kishore, for me.
Right.
But
That is
I
take
paid,
profit trader, right?
yes, take profit trader. Yeah, they
Yeah.
refund the amount also. They refund the whatever I pay for the reset amount, $100. They refund that, and also that profit whatever I got around 5,000, that all they transfer to the new account once I took the new account. Yeah,
Okay.
just wanted to let you know, that's it. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, sure. But yeah, in your case, so you already took a new account, right?
I took a new account because new account is for like $30, but for reset is somewhere like $40 or $50, right?
Yeah, then the new account is a better option.
Yeah, and while I was trying to do the trading, right, Kishore, when I'm doing with the minis, there it's like a lot of fluctuation, and I'm not able to hold on. But sometimes, like yesterday, if we see, it went up to like 2,500 or something, the maximum loss kind of thing, right?
Right.
So, is it better to practice with the micros instead of minis, or how
Yeah,
is it?
initially it is always better you practice with micros.
Okay.
Yeah. And then you can go to minis later once you understand all the concepts, once you understand how markets fluctuate, and
Hmm.
then you can trade with
Oh,
minis.
okay. And sometimes you are giving calls for the overnight, right? Take a long on this particular thing or not. At that point of time, since still in the evaluation phase, can I just take it blindly, or have a stop loss on that as well?
It's always better to have stop loss.
Okay.
So, for example, if you are taking a buy here, then
Hmm.
always go a little bit below and do a stop loss below the support.
Okay.
Or
Okay.
if you're shorting GC
Hmm.
at the resistance, then go above the resistance, put a stop loss.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. Because with minis, it's being like a lot of fluctuation. I was not able to, because I had to call it the second account. I felt like practicing with
Yeah,
micros was better, I believe.
yeah, micros, always good to start with micros. Yeah, even though it will take little more time, but minimum you will not be losing accounts.
Okay.
Yeah, unless, yeah. For example, if I already made 3, 4,000, 5,000, I may hold for longer time. But if
Hmm.
you did not make the profit, then better you always look like last 3, 4 candles, and then you put a stop loss. If you are going for a long, your stop
Hmm.
loss should be 5 candles below low of the 5 candles. If
Okay.
you're going if you're going for a long, it should be lower than 5 candles. If you are going for a short, higher than the last 5 candles.
Okay.
Yeah, Arpit, please go ahead.
Yeah, hi Kishore. Kishore, for one incident happened with Take Profit Trader. Today I have the Pro account, and
Mhm.
I think 8:30 there is an event, right? Payroll event today.
Right, yeah, 8:30 EST.
Yeah, so I have the open order before that one.
Okay.
So is it not allowed?
Yeah, in the pro account, generally you should not have any trades open during the time, during the event time.
So no, I have the before the event I had to open it.
No, but during that time, even though you open before that 1 minute before or 1 minute after, you should not have any open trades.
Oh,
Yeah, they will also send a mail also. I think they sent a mail last night telling that it is a oh, in evaluation you can have, but in the Pro or Pro Plus you should not trade because suddenly if there is a bounce, right? You
so
if
they
you have
close
to,
the account? My question is.
yeah, generally they close. So yeah, most of the time they close it. Did you receive any email?
Yeah, I received the email. They're not telling me the close, but the account is disabled, and they can allow me to withdraw the amount, the
They are
50% profit.
okay. Yeah, generally, yeah, we should not trade in the Pro or Pro Plus with take profit trader during these events. Right. For example, if you have two Pro accounts, right, before you go long in one, go short in one, just 30 seconds before. Suddenly there
Yeah,
was a huge bounce. Then even you'll make four, five, $6,000 in one account. You will lose one account. Then
yeah,
in
I
that account,
understand.
you can reset it and
Yeah.
again. So that's why they don't allow you to take during news events. Evaluation you can do, but not the Pro or Pro Plus.
Mhm. So
So
I
that,
didn't know that we have the event. So by mistake, I placed the.
yeah, but
Uh,
they also sent an email. Generally, yeah, you can also go to that forexfactory.com. That will show you what are the events which are happening. Generally, around 7:30 Central or 8:30 EST, we'll have events on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday,
mhm.
most of the time. So always better whenever you want to take trades in the morning around 7:30 time, always go to forexfactory.com. Check what is there in the calendar, and if you see any events, better don't trade anything in the Pro account, Pro or Pro Plus.
Mhm. Okay.
How do you spell that, Kishore? What is expected EXPCTD? How can you put
What
that
is
on the site where we have to go and check if there's an event, which is that
yeah
site? You can put that on the channel as well. That way.
yeah it was
Okay.
Sir, one more question. In the current chart which you're showing up, we have the sell power, right? The red color lines. So in
mm.
that scenario, is it better to hold on when it is close to that sell power, even though the T5 shows it's a buy power?
Yeah, that means there is a resistance, there are sellers there.
Hmm.
So better you book your profits on the long position. So
Okay.
yeah. And you wait for the sell opportunity now.
Okay.
Yeah, Ramesh, do you have any questions? Ramesh, we can't hear you if you're talking. Shiva, do you have any questions?
Yes, this morning you sent me FLM, but I don't see the dots and I don't see R1 and R2 lines on my FLM.
So you have to go and
Put the
put
settings.
those put these levels.
Oh, even FLM. Okay, got it.
Yeah,
Okay, got it. Okay, sure. Easily I put the scanner, but I need to put on FLM2
yeah,
those.
right.
Thank you for that. Yep.
Sure. And for the dots, you have to go to the settings, go under style. Here you see something called circle,
Hmm.
and you can select above bar, so you will see the dots immediately on the.
Okay,
So by default, it will be top. You change it to above bar.
okay, perfect. Thank you.
Yeah. Hey, Wally, do you have
Okay.
any other questions?
Yeah, I have one question. Which I just got the TC5. What I'm looking here on the TC5?
T5 generally, this is right. If it comes to the bottom and you see a green dot, that means trend is changing to bullish again. Again, whenever you see a red dot, that means again sellers will taking the control.
Okay. This is in addition to the red dots we already have right below on the other
Right.
strategies. Okay.
Yeah.
So this won't be a lot of dots, but it's just one dot whenever the trend is changing.
You're right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. And you suggest to keep it open always?
Yeah. T5 should
Okay.
be is an important one with either you use SPX, TNT, or FLM.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
As long as it is green, then don't take the shorts. Only
Got it.
wait for the buy opportunities. If it is red, don't take the buy signals.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Ramesh, please go ahead.
Yeah, so sorry, Kishore. So for silver, 30 minutes, okay, the levels are, I mean, I was wondering how that current be. Can you go to 30 minutes silver for TNT?
So whenever you are doing 30 minutes, that means you are watching for next 4 to 5 days. It is a swing trade.
Right, right. Yeah,
So
because yeah, go to silver, because the numbers are very low. That's why I was wondering. You see that is target is 63,560, which is too far below. So how do we understand this in case we want to for long term, long for a couple of days for in personal account, right? How do I understand this? Because it's already too low,
so it
with six,
is
the target is 63,560, right?
right. It did a breakout. So yeah, generally it is telling once it breaks 62.63, it will reach 63.56.
Yeah, correct. But it's
So
five
now
63 price. Yeah.
it broke that resistance, went much higher. So now if whenever this turns red, then we can enter a short.
So until then we should be quite
Right.
yeah
So
that
as
day.
of now, this T5 is still green.
Mm.
So whenever this turns red and this also turns red, whenever it says bearish below so and so target, then we'll take a shot at that point.
So,
So, yeah, as of now, it is looking still bullish. Only NKD is one which is looking okay for a short overnight. And come all the way to 49,400.
the NQ is also bearish, right now.
Yeah, NQ is also bearish. Yeah. We got a swing sell, so it may come all the way around 320.
Kishore, a quick question. How does this difference between the different expiry works, right? Because right now, December ones are, I think, 100 something, and March ones are 300. So how does that work? I mean, it's not going to all of a sudden jump 200 points on the expiry day, right?
No, your December contracts will no longer valid, right? Because if, for example, if you have a big account, if you short NQ, you have 3 months time now. You can hold them for 3 months.
I see, I see, I see, I see.
December, within next 2 days, it will expire. So that's why always when you have more time with the expiry, the price will be more. When you have less time, the price will be less.
Gotcha, gotcha. Makes sense. Okay, thank you.
CP.
One quick question. Today morning we took like Tesla, right, for December 19 expiry.
Right, yeah. Tomorrow morning we'll see a drop on Tesla.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, please go ahead.
Hi, Kishore. So I have a question on this. Like you have an upper band and the lower band, right? You have it on the tag and turn as well as on the FLM, right? So which
Right.
one to follow? Because like they are not same. Like you have a upper band and the lower band on both
Right.
these indicators, but
So you use any one strategy, right? If you are using
mhm,
FLM, you use along with the scanner and T5. That is one
okay,
strategy.
okay,
Or if you are using SPX tag and turn, you use SPX tag and turn along with T5.
okay,
You either use that combination or this combination.
okay.
So
Okay, that makes sense. Because that is what I was getting confused because I have both bands. Now, which one to follow? Because I was trying to do a short when it is going up, trying to buy when it is down. So I was
right.
getting
So,
confused there.
yeah, better use any one
One
strategy.
strategy. Okay. Makes sense. Thank you. Thank you, Vishnu.
Sure.
Sure, after adding those the features inputs, I don't see R1, R2 on my side. I can see the dots, but not R1 and R2 lines coming on my.
Make sure you have symbols like NQ1, right? It should not be
Oh, okay.
NQZ or something.
Not for micros?
If it is micros, then go to that file and you change them as. So if it has NQ, you change it to MNQ. If it is ES, you change it to MES in the
Okay.
file. Then you will see for micros.
Perfect. Okay. Thank you. Maybe that might be mistake. Thank you.
Sure. Yeah. So that's it, everyone. So NQ, NKD, the indices are little bearish overnight. Metals are very, very bullish. Silver, especially silver, is very bullish. So, but again, it is already overbought, so we may see some reversal. But as of now, there is no confirmation. So if you want to short, you can do two MNQs or two MES overnight, and then you can put a target somewhere around right 320, 25, 320, and drop all the way to here. So this is where you have resistance, this is where you have support. So it may come all the way to this and then bounce.
Kishore Garu, one quick question. So I didn't quite understand what the advantage of using reset. I was always opening a new account whenever my account is cancelled. When will it be advantageous to do a reset?
Generally, right, with take profit trade with Apex and Allied Trader Fund, then better to get new accounts because generally they give 80-90% discount.
Okay.
So reset is not much of use. But
Okay.
when you're doing with something like Take Profit Trader, new account is around $200
Oh,
if you
okay.
want to open a 150K account. But when you reset it, for example, within first 3-4 days, 1 week, you hit the stop loss.
Okay.
Then you have 3 more weeks. Instead of waiting for 3 more weeks, if you pay 100, you again that account will become 150K again.
Oh, okay. So the $100 is a flat fee for anything, for take
Right, for
profit.
any account size, anything for reset, $100 is a flat fee.
Oh, okay. And you will get the remaining number of days in that month.
Right.
And also, like for example, let's say for a 150K target, let's say we made 4,000 or something like that. and then because of the losses, um, that at 154 our account got cancelled or disabled. Will they preserve that 4,000 or they won't?
They won't. Whenever you are resetting, that means again it is more like a new account.
Oh, okay. So you will not have that 4,000. Okay, okay.
Yeah, so because you are hitting stop loss means from 154 it went all the way to 145 500 or somewhere around that price.
I mean, what I'm saying is, for example, you are close to 158.5 and then you started losing. So you will lose your account at 154 or something like that, right? 153 maybe, 153.5. So let's say,
Yeah. Again, it is a daily drawdown. So once you go above 154 or something, your stop loss will become 150,000. That
so
means you are
no,
below
Kishore, what I'm saying,
150.
no, Kishore, what I'm saying is, let's say today 158.5, end of the day. Tomorrow, if we make 4,500 loss, the account will be cancelled or it will not be cancelled? I think it will not be cancelled, right?
It will not cancel. Your 150K will be your stop loss.
Oh, okay. Got it. Got it. So the account will not be cancelled. Okay. Okay.
With Apex, it will cancel, Apex and Elite Trader Fund. But with Take Profit Trader, once you are at 158, only if it go below 150, then only your account will cancel.
But
Okay.
Kishore, if we intraday trailing 150 is 4,500, right? If we
Right.
end up if we
Yeah.
lose 500, he will lose the account.
Right. Intraday, that is the disadvantage. So, but end of the day, once you make 158, you have 8,000 buffer now. So you can take a little more risk or you can hold positions for longer time.
Okay. Makes sense. Makes sense. Thank you, Kishore.
Sure, earlier the other saying that on the Tradify we can carry forward that previous account profit into new account. That's the right. That's what the one more other team member is saying that one in the call. Tradify they allowed to transfer the one prop account to the second prop account if the first account got cancelled.
Sam, are you there?
Yeah, that's what he was
That's what
saying.
he was
Yeah,
saying.
not quite sure how that happens.
Right. Sometimes by mistake, if you already have profits in your account and you did reset by mistake.
Yeah, Kishore garu. Yeah, tell me, Kishore garu.
Yeah, you mentioned that they transferred the balance from one account to other, right? What was the situation? You did reset by mistake and then they did it, or
No, no. So what happened is I missed that the whatever um, details I gave. The transaction has declined. Intentionally, I kept that. So again, I took that reset. So there is a trick in the so once the expiry date is gone, they try multiple times and then they keep it as is. I mean, we can do multiple times a reset. Maybe 2 to 3 times they try. After that, they give they did not try. So in my case, what happened is uh, before they uh, before they got I mean renewal, I took that reset and all. So then again they canceled my account. Immediately I took the screenshots and I uploaded those screenshots. These are the profits I got it today, but you guys are cancel my accounts. So we have evidence and all, right? So in this case, they transferred the amount and they said sorry, and also the $100 whatever I pay for the reset, they refunded. The profits also they transfer to the new accounts. There is a two accounts in my scenario.
yeah, okay.
Yeah. So
Then your case is mostly towards the renewal, not like the stop loss hit. Most.
no, not the stop. Yeah, not the stop loss. Already I have a profits in
Okay.
my account. So yeah.
during the transition of the renewal, something got messed
Yeah,
up.
yeah. Yes,
Then-
yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank
So yeah. Okay.
Okay, we'll continue tomorrow. So, SPX tag and turn or RLM. So you continue to use any one strategy. You don't get confused between both. Either use tag and turn or RLM. So, yeah. Good night, everyone. We'll continue in the morning.